Hey guys, I'm Daniel, and today we're going to fix the shift assembly on the 2004 S500 Mercedes. Now, it has come to my attention that some of you have watched my video that we shot 2.5, 3 years ago, and apparently some people went to a mechanic and said, oh, just take it out. Well, this is something I did for myself. This is something to fix my problem because I had an issue with it. And if you're a professional mechanic who does this for a living, you can't just go up to that person and say, hey, do it the same way, because they're making a living out of this, which means they have to charge money for a service that they provide for you. So also, if they do something and it's not safe, which I mentioned in my video that you'll be able to shift out of park without hitting the brake, if it's not safe, they're liable if something happens. They cannot do that. So please, please, please take this with a grain of salt and just, if it's something that needs to get you going, this was a great repair, but it needs to be fixed properly. So today, I got the right part, which was recommended to me by a professional, and we're going to try to put it in. So let's get to it. right, there you go. It wasn't much harder than the first time around when I did it and just removed the plastic piece. This time we just replaced it. I will leave a link in the description to the part I used. Now you gotta be careful, make sure you use the part for your specific vehicle. Even on a W220 there was a model change in the middle and they changed it in 2004. So if you have an E-Class, a C-Class, make sure you get your right piece for your item. Now, was it worth it? Well, you gotta ask yourself that question. Are you the type of person who leaves small children in a parking lot by themselves with the car running? If the answer is yes, you need that part. In my case, I would have been all right without it, but I've gotten a lot of complaints from people, oh, it's a safety issue. Yes, it is, but just put the parking brake on. That's what it's there for. And even if somebody, when the car is not running, shifts it into neutral by a mistake, which it shouldn't be a mistake. People shouldn't be in the car if you as the driver aren't in there. But leave me a comments. I would love to hear what you guys think. I know I've read some comments in my other video, which I'm gonna link to, and I'm just curious to see what people think out there. In our case, we just fixed it. I just did it for you guys because I've gotten a few comments on my previous video that it's not the proper way to do it. Now that you have a chance to see both, let me know. Until next time, take care. Bye.